In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set board visibility on Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a board private, visible to your workspace or public, and when to use each option to keep your information appropriately shared. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website to go to the homepage. If you're not already signed in, Trello may prompt you to log in before you can make changes. That's normal. Visibility settings are only available to people with access to the board. Once you're on Trello, open the specific board where you want to adjust visibility. You should be looking at the board's lists and cards. Make sure you're on the correct board, since any visibility change you make here applies only to this board, not to others in your workspace. Also note that in some workspaces, only board admins can change visibility, so if you don't see the option, you may need admin permission. At the top of the board, look for the visibility control. It appears near the board header and is represented by an icon, often a globe for public, a lock for private, or a building for workspace. Click that icon or the accompanying label to open the visibility menu. From here, choose the level that fits your needs. Private means only members who have been added to this board can see it. This is the most secure choice for sensitive projects or anything containing internal details. Workspace Visible allows anyone in your Trello workspace to view the board, even if they aren't explicitly added as board members. This is great for cross-team visibility while still keeping content restricted to your organization. Public makes the board viewable to anyone on the internet. Use this when you want to share roadmaps, templates, or documentation broadly. Keep in mind that while public boards can be viewed by anyone, only invited members can edit them. Still, avoid posting confidential information on a public board, since links can be shared and content can appear in search results. After you select your preferred option, Trello applies the change right away. In some cases, switching to public may ask you to confirm. Just review the warning and proceed if you're sure. Double-check the icon at the top to confirm your new setting is active. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Trello, opened your board, accessed the visibility control, and selected private, workspace, or public based on your goals. Thanks for watching, and keep your boards secure and shareable with the right visibility choice.